Good afternoon to everyone. I'm Vasuki, working as an assistant professor in KSR College of Engineering. Uh, Today, we are going to discuss about the classes object in Java. Today, we will discuss how we can create classes and how we can able to access the methods and variables inside the class using object, and how we will see how we are going to initialize the variables using constructor and by using method by using dot members. Um, Java is a OOPS supporting language. OOPS concepts such as class, object, inheritance, data binding. It will support all the OOPS concept inheritance. It will support the OOPS concept like encapsulation, abstraction. So these are the very important facilities available in Java. Basically, if we create a class, inside the class, it will have states and states means variables and method. How we can able to access the states and components by using the object, we can able to access the variables and method inside the class. Main thing we will discuss how we are going to create class with the help of the object, how we can able to communicate with the uh, variables and methods inside the classes. Already I have told you it will support the OOPS concept like encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, class, object. It will support all the OOPS concept. See, class is a collection of fields like variables, methods. It's a collection of fields. How we are going to, we will discuss how we are going to access these class variables and the method present inside the class. See, class is a collection of fields and method, or method we can also say it as a function. And we will discuss how we are going to access this. I will show you a demo how to create a class. See, I'm going to create a class. Syntax for creating a class. We should use the class keyword, class, then class name. I'm going to create a class name, student. This is the structure of creating a class. It should proceed with the keyword class, and then we need to give a name, class name. We can able now we can declare the variables int a equal to 2. Then we can also able to declare a method, define a method void draw, draw. I'm printing dot out dot print ln. I'm going to print draw. This is the syntax for creating a class. Class is a collection of variables and method. Variable we can tell it as a fields, and the method we can also tell us procedures. See here the syntax for creating a class, keyword, class name, then fields and method inside the class. See here in this program, they have created a class named circle. They have used access specifier, public access specifier, then adding the fields inside the class circle. See, this is the syntax for creating a class. Class name is circle. Before the class name, we need to define the keyword class. Then access by using access specifier public, I'm declaring a two variables, x and y. This is a variable. The field are also called as instant variable. See here, this is inside the class. Suppose if we are creating a variable inside the class, that variable is called as instance variable. Suppose I'm creating a variable outside the class. We cannot say that as an instant variable. Method, we can also create a method for defining the suppose I'm creating a method and defining what the method should do. Method are declared inside the body of the class, but immediately after the declaration of the data field. Syntax for declaring a method is type, return type, method name, and parameter list. This is optional one. Suppose if I want to pass a parameter inside the method, we can use this syntax. If I don't want to pass a argument in the method, we can omit it. This is the syntax for creating a method. See, this is inside this class circle. I have declared a variable, instance variable. Then I have defined a method with the return type. See, I have mentioned the data type over here. This is the public access specifier keyword. This is double data. This is for mentioning the return type. I have given the double data type. This in circumference is the method name. See, inside this class circle, I have defined two methods. One is circumference, one is area. Both the method will return the values. Data abstraction. This is an important loops concept. Abstraction. Abstraction. What it will do? It will hide the implementation detail. Suppose I'm creating a class circle. I'm going to create two objects for the circle. See, I'm creating an object for the circle. What is this? See, I will tell you how to create an object. See, I have created a class name student. See, inside this main method, Java's main method is public static void main. Inside this method, I am going to create a class for this student class, object for the student class. See, I'm copying this class name student. Yes, equal to new student. Now, this is the syntax for creating an object for a class. I'm going to create an object for this class student. See, I'm using the class name. This S is a reference variable and equal to new student. See, this new is a keyword for memory allocation. In Java, we use new keyword for memory allocation. The object which we have created that is stored in the heap memory. This is the syntax for creating a class object. See, for a class, I can create more than one object. See, for the same class, I'm creating one more object, S1 equal to new student. See, for the same class, I have created two variables. Suppose if I want to create one more class, one more object, is it possible for a class? We can create any number of objects. See, if here I have given here I have given a new keyword. Suppose if I have given null here, this is also valid one. I have created only the reference, but I have not, memory is not yet allocated for that object. Next, we will see how creating object for the class. So just before I told you, by using the new keyword, we will create the object dynamically. Object are created dynamically using the new keyword. See here, this is the reference variable equal to new circle. For the circle class, we have created two objects, A circle, B circle. See, I have created two reference A circle and B circle. By using the new keyword, we can able to create the object for the class. See, this is also possible. We can assign the object of one class to the reference variable of another class. That is also possible. See, I have created object S. I'm assigning the reference variable of s in this class. See, I need to extend. Just a minute. We will try. See, we will remove this. I am creating a object for this class. See, I am creating a object for this hello world class. Hello world, it's printing. Now, static int s equal to 7. I'm going to, yes, I can't give yes d. Here I'm going to print the control s plus s dot d. See, now I can able to print the value. It's printing. I have created an object for this class. By using this object, I can able to access the variable. Now it's printing 6. Likewise, we can create more variable, more object for a class. I have created a, see, here I am going to create another object for this class. Yes, one. I am assigning S1 to, yes, I am assigning S2. I am assigning S1 to S. Yes, it's working fine. That is the concept. We can assign the object of one class to object of, we can assign the object of another class also as a reference variable. See, here also they are assigning the reference variable of one as one class to another reference variable. This is also possible. See what happens if we assign the reference variable of one class to another class, it will point that reference class. See A circle, B circle. Now the reference address of A circle is assigned to the B circle. Automatic garbage collection. One important concept in Java is garbage collection. Garbage collection is nothing but, suppose if an object does not have a reference address, it automatically, what the compiler will do, it automatically reclaims the memory. That is the important feature in Java that garbage collector will do. object which do not have the reference, it will be automatically, the memory will be reclaimed. It will be useful for the future purpose. For saving memory, garbage collection concept we are using in Java. See, suppose if I want to assign variable to the assign value to the variable by using the dot operator, we can assign. See, I have created a reference variable a circle for the class circle. I'm assigning the values x for x, y is or these are the instance variable I have created. I'm assigning this variable by using the reference value dot that variable name. I can assign the value. See, for see, for this day, I have declared the variable. I have only declared the variable. Say local variable, we should initialize the local variable. This is inside this method, so object is not required to access. See, I am creating a class name play, and I am declaring a variable int f equal to 2. What I am doing here, I am using instance play play. We will see. Let's see. We will use the hello world class here. I'm going to create a class hello play. See, here we are initializing the variable, executing the by using the object, we can able to initialize the variable. See, in this program, they have created a class circle. See, the class name is circle. This is the reference variable. By using this reference variable, they are initializing the value to the variable. See, for x and x, y are instance variable. By using this reference variable, they are assigning the value to the variable. Here they are in already I have shown you here. See, they have created a method name circumference and draw. By using this the reference variable, they are accessing the method reference and circumference. See, here they have created a two method. See, circumference and area, by using that reference variable, they are accessing, by using this reference variable, they are invoking the method area and circumference. After that, they are printing the values of area and circumference. See, this was a summary. We have already completed classes, object, and method. How we can initialize the variables and how we can define the method. We have gone through this. Now we are moving to the concept of constructor. By using constructor also, we can able to initialize the variable. Constructor is nothing but it is used to initialize the variable. The class name and constructor name will always be same. The method, the constructor is a method, but the class name and constructor name is always same. And constructor does not have a return type. There are two types of constructor: default constructor. See, default constructor and parameterized constructor. Default constructor, it does not have any argument. And in parameterized constructor, we use argument to we will pass the arguments to the constructor. See, in this program, they have created a class name student. See, there are, see, they have created two instance variable. One is ID, one is string name. See, the method constructor name and class name is same. Student4 is the class name and the constructor name is also same one. See, this is our main method. See, this is our main method, public static void main. See, they have created one more method, method display, to print the value of ID and name. See, when the instructor, constructor will get executed, once we create an object for the class, automatically the constructor will get invoked. See, I have created an object, two object S1 and S2. For the object S1, I'm passing the ID value as 111, and for object 2, object 1, I'm passing the string value current, and for object 2, I'm passing ID value 222 and string name RN. S1 dot now this ID and name will get as value get assigned. Suppose if I want to display the value of the variable stored in S1, I'm using the display method. I'm printing the value ID and name. By using the display method, I'm printing the value. I'm printing the value of this variable. See, now we will discuss this in the constructor. Okay, I will reference here. See, I'm declaring two variable int s, int id, int id. I'm just declared a variable, but I didn't initialize any value. String string name name. For name also, I have just declared the variable. See, I'm going to create a constructor. Class name and constructor name should always be same. Constructor does not have a return type. See, I'm going to, when the constructor will get execute, once I have once after creating the object, the constructor will get get execute. See, I'm going to create a object for this class hello world equal to new. I have created one object. Again, I am going to create another object. I'm going to create two objects. Copy and create. I'm going to create another object. H2. See, now I'm going, let's check system dot out dot print print ln. I'm checking whether the constructor is getting invoked or not. Let's check. We have created a constructor system.out.println. After here we have, I have given a space. Class ID. See, I have been constructor. See what I have done. Display. See, I have created a constructor, but I didn't pass any argument. This is called a default constructor. If I'm not creating any I'm not creating any constructor also, this class will get executed. That is called default constructor. In background, the constructor will get executed. See, I have not created any constructor, even though it will get execute. Control is it. Now I am passing an argument to this constructor. See, here I am passing two variable int s comma string string n. Here I am going to pass 2 comma here I am going to print here I'm going to initialize id equal to yes, then component id equal to s, then here id equal to s, then name equal to n. Line number 7 expected id equal to a string name. See, I have closed. See, here I am pausing in I have created two object and I am pausing the variable to this object and I am printing this value here. That's all about constructor. We will see the difference between constructor and method. Constructor is used to initialize the object. Method is used to expose the behavior of an object. Constructor does not have any return type. Method we can use return type. Constructor is invoked implicitly. Method or is invoked explicitly. Once the object is created, constructor will get execute automatically. Constructor name must be same as the class name. Method name, that is not necessary, it should be same. Constructor overloading is same as method overloading. Constructor with same argument is called as constructor overloading. Constructor having same name with different parameters in the parameter list, that is called as constructor overloading. Okay, thank you.